Let's understand what all errors we do while doing Kapalabhati. Generally, face should be relaxed and smiling. Instead, sometimes people will do that we should avoid. It should be pleasant. Next error. Some people will try and move their body. Only stomach should move. Balanced body should be steady. Some people will do like this. That we should avoid. Shoulders should be relaxed, face should be relaxed, smiling, body should be steady. Only stomach should go inside. Then the third error. When we do Kapalabhati with alternate nostril, some people will press their nose very tightly. Some people will make their mudra dance. All this we should avoid. It should be relaxed face, stable body. And then when you release Kapalabhati, release your hand. When you stop doing Kapalabhati, that time some people will immediately open the eyes. That is very wrong. Eyes should remain closed. We should feel inner changes. We should hold our breath as long as we can hold easily without struggling. That will put us into meditation very easily. That will calm down our mind very easily. So after Kapalabhati, we should not open our eyes for at least a minute or two. That time one has to spare. We should feel the inner changes. Thank you. Namaste.